to my channel. Right now, I'm gonna go to the Kase Club. That's the only plan I have right now. And I just woke up. Oh my God. I already changed the stuff because it's already after 9 and we at 10:30. I'm sure y'all can tell it's a dress. Y'all know what I wash my face with. And I have another one that sprays. I think I'm gonna use that one. Where is it? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. And I'm gonna meet y'all out here because I'm having too much trouble in that bathroom. I think what the universe wanted is for me to do my skincare. All my little gadgets seem to be dead right now. Yeah. We just hit 300 subs, y'all. Don't forget about the surprise I have for y'all once we hit 500, and my little content creator group chat is doing so well, y'all. I didn't think I was going to get as many people as I have right now, like, and everybody is so sweet. I love it. Like, what? Let me hurry up because I know I got to do my hair and eat. Listen, because I'm not even finna do too much. Not too bad, right? Maybe. She's a little dry, but do we have time for that? No. I usually don't comb my hair out and it's dry like at all. But oh, it's not too dry. Okay, I'm gonna go put my earrings in. And this is not gonna be like this in a couple hours. I kid you not, probably as soon as I step outside, all this is gonna melt. My earrings, oh no. Hold on. Can't find two of my earrings. I'm gonna go ask him. Like, for the sake of my sanity, I hope he has them.
Is you ready to go, nigga? Is you ready to go, nigga?
I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna dip.
No,
I found my.
then you gonna eat something.
Are we eating at the Kase Club? Okay, I'm back home. I don't know what we're about to do. I think we're about to watch a movie. The Lake Lanier documentary. But I'm not going nowhere else. I don't think I'm going nowhere else. It's about to rain. It's been raining every day. And yeah, I'll be back.
Making trips, come back at 6, wake me in your chat.